Hello wonderful learners, welcome back to Literary Rights. I am Swaranjali. People often say things like this. Please contact myself if you have any questions. Myself and my team will do this work. Both sentences sound formal, but both are wrong. Today we'll learn reflexive pronouns and intensive pronouns. These are the myself words. By the end of this video, you will never make this mistake again. These pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. For one person, we add self, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. For many people, we add selves, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Reflexive pronouns are necessary. Remove them and the sentence breaks. Intensive pronouns are extra. Remove them and the sentence still works. It loses emphasis. Same words, two different jobs. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and the object are the same person. She cut herself while cooking. She did the cutting. She also got cut. Same person. Remove herself. She cut while cooking. The sentence breaks. Herself is necessary here. It is reflexive. More examples. He blamed himself for the mistake. The child dressed herself this morning. They prepared themselves for the exam. Here is the full list matched with subjects. I becomes myself. You, one person, becomes yourself. He becomes himself. She becomes herself. It becomes itself. We becomes ourselves. You, many people, becomes yourselves. They becomes themselves. Never say his self or their selves. These forms are wrong. Always use himself and themselves. Intensive pronouns use the same words, but their job is different. They just add emphasis. Here's the test. Remove the pronoun. If the sentence still makes sense, it is intensive. The Prime Minister himself inaugurated the event. Remove himself. The Prime Minister inaugurated the event. Still correct. Himself only adds emphasis. It shows he did it personally. More examples. I myself checked every page of the report. Remove myself. Still correct. It shows I did it personally. She baked this whole cake herself. Remove herself. Still correct. It shows no one helped her. Intensive pronouns usually sit right after the noun or at the end of the sentence. Here is the mistake I mentioned at the starting. Myself is not a replacement for I or me. Mistake number 1. Using myself instead of I. The wrong sentence is myself and my friends went to the fair. But the correct one is my friends and I went to the fair. Mistake number 2. Using myself instead of me. The wrong sentence is please send the report to myself. But the correct one is please send the report to me. One more. The wrong sentence is contact myself for more details. But the correct one is contact me for more details. People use myself because they think it sounds polite or formal. It doesn't. It sounds incorrect. Here is the rule. Use myself only when I is already the subject of the same sentence. I completed the work myself. Correct. I is the subject. Myself adds emphasis. I hurt myself. Correct. I is the subject. The action comes back to me. If there is no I earlier in the sentence, do not use myself. These mistakes appear often in exams. Learn to spot them. The teacher and myself will check the papers. Wrong. Should be I. He himself finished the project. Wrong. Should be himself. They prepared themselves for the match. Wrong. Should be themselves. Time to practice. Question number 1. The students cleaned the room dash. The correct answer is themselves. Remove it. The students cleaned the room. Still correct. This is intensive. Question number 2. She looked at dash in the mirror. The answer is herself. Remove it. She looked at in the mirror. The sentence breaks. This is reflexive. Question number 3. Please give your forms to dash or the office. I, me, or myself? The answer is me. This is the object of to. There is no reflexive or intensive job here. Myself would be wrong. Question number 4. The principal dash gave out the prizes. The answer is himself. It comes after principal. For emphasis, he gave the prizes personally. This is intensive. Now you know this. Reflexive pronouns are needed when the subject and object are the same person, and intensive pronouns are extra. They add emphasis and you can remove them. Myself is never a replacement for I or me. In the next video, I will teach you relative and demonstrative pronouns. Words like who, which, this, that, and those. You'll understand how relative pronouns connect ideas within sentences and how demonstrative pronouns point precisely to what we mean. Subscribe to Literary Rights and let's build your grammar confidence together. Nothing difficult, nothing missing, just clear, complete learning. See you in the next lesson. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye.